brightness on an aggravated battery.
Hi, thanks for watching. This is George at Wicked Warnings, here with another fine example of construction safety lights and emergency vehicle equipment. Here we have a brand new 2019 F-350 Platinum in gloss black. On the front of this truck, we are featuring our LIN-6 light head in amber. Below that, we have our TIR-3 light head in amber, set on a quick alternation. On the roof of the vehicle, we are running our very new Wicked Warnings auto flasher module that is allowing us to flash the roof lights. We also have our Wicked Warnings mirror mod kit on the mirrors. With the auto flasher module, you want to select the version 2017 and newer Super Duty roof lights to get the instruction and the behind the scenes install video that shows you how to wire those roof lights in with our auto flasher. Same thing applies to the mirror mod. When you purchase the mirror mod kit, you will get an in-depth video and instructions on how to wire that up to make those white spotlights work the way they are. Just wanted to move over a little bit so I can show you that the mirrors and the roof are in sync together. Our newest mirror mod kit and roof light kit can be synchronized. I guess this would show you just a little bit better what I mean about the synchronization. You can see how the mirror on the passenger side is synchronized with the 2 center roof lights, and the mirror on the driver is synchronized with the 3 roof lights. Let me pull the truck forward and show you what we did on the sides and the rear. Right here on the side, in the badge, we have our TIR series Thin-X light in an all amber, set on the same quick alternation as the top of the grille. You can see here our badge lights there, the Thin-X, as well as in the third brake light, cargo light portion, we have installed our LED HAW Duo. There is a modification needed to install a amber or white strobe light in the third brake light. When you have LED from the factory, you do need to remove that LED board in the third brake light. I have a video in my DIY section that shows you exactly how to install the strobe lights in that third brake light. Check the description for a link to all of the things that I'm talking about, all of the products, and links to these particular videos that are published. The roof and mirror video is unpublished and is available after purchase. Facing straight backwards, underneath the tailgate, we have again our Thin-X in TIR in all amber. That mounts up very nicely under the tailgate, and we went with the fast alternation pattern as well to match up with the badges and the top of the grille in the front. We kind of tried to mimic that on the third brake light also. This particular truck does a lot of work in the railroad yards, and they are primarily amber. So we did give him a separate switch to turn off the front white facing mirror lights, and another switch. We used factory auxiliary switches for all the rest of the lights. There's a shot in the dark, just in case you wanted to see. You can see how it's lighting up the shop. And as you can just see by the amount of light getting thrown around here, these lights are extremely bright. Let me show you some of the mounting. So as I mentioned, there's a specific video that goes over the mounting of the LED HAW Duo in that third brake light. Let me show you the Thin-X underneath the gate. Right there, underneath the tailgate, you can see our Thin-X LED, hopefully. We mount it right there, above the bumper, below the tailgate. It's the same mounting on the other side. On the right-hand side, there's a factory brace that we remove in order to allow the light to be mounted there. I'll go ahead and show you that. Over on this side, normally, there's a little metal brace that connects the tailgate back here. We remove that in order to allow room for these lights to be mounted right here. So that's our way of mounting it. It allows the light to fit in right there. And as you can see here, space is limited. It is very tight here between the tailgate and the Thin-X. That's why we prefer to use Thin-X in this location. You really don't have enough room right here to be mounting a linear 6 or something of that nature. It has to be one of our Thin-X products so the tailgate doesn't contact it. Here in the F-250 badge is another Thin-X. Mount it right there in the badge. You do have to wire through the fender into the firewall, into the engine bay. It's not a hard procedure. We remove the badges when we do this modification. And that's how you mount the Thin-X into the badge. Here is our TIR-3 mounted by the headlight, lower part of the grill. Do be careful when you drill for the wires with this mount. There are sensitive items behind there, so don't just go blasting through with a long drill bit, or you may regret that decision. And then there's our very popular mount for the LIN-6 light. I do believe that you can see a little bit of how we notch the top of the grill right there. You can see right here and right here. We do have to remove just a little bit of this upper plastic ridge in order to allow the light to fit here. Very easy procedure. Just trim away some of that plastic and we put a little 45 angle on it here and a 45 angle on it here, and then the light head mounts in there very beautifully, just like that. It ends up just underneath the hood, perfectly level with the top of the grill. Sorry about the camera shake there. We're running everything off of the factory auxiliary switches right here on the headliner. If you need any assistance in hooking up to those, just drop an email or check on Google. It is very easy. It is right underneath the hood, so you can hook up to any of the switches. As you can see here, we have one for white, one for amber. Thanks again for watching Wicked Warnings, your #1 source for truck strobe lights and construction vehicle safety equipment. Be sure to check out all of our other videos. Check the description for links to purchase this package or any one of these products individually. Send an email if you have any questions, and don't forget to send me pictures of your vehicle. If you want my help, I need the pictures of your vehicle so I don't sell you the wrong stuff and have you knocking on my door on Sunday morning telling me, "You sold me the wrong stuff." Thanks again for watching Wicked Warnings. I hope you all enjoyed the vehicle. See you on the next build.